I'm here with Greg Curtis with the Good Earth Greenhouse, and we've had a pretty wet summer, a wet start to fall, and it's really done some damage. It's actually taken a bit of a toll on some of the shrubs around.
It really has, Jeff. The yards are looking great. The trees are looking really nice this year, but the shrubs, especially the ones that have only been planted, say, 2 years or less, we're getting some pictures and some samples brought in. Now, this is not a sample of ones that really look bad. These are actually what they should look like this time of year. But what we're finding is so much moisture. People forget to turn off their sprinkler systems sometimes, so they're double whammy everything.
Yeah, every once in a while you see, actually it's more than every once in a while, you see those sprinklers going off while it's still raining.
And a side note, we can fix that with certain controllers, just to let you know, give us a call. But what's happened is washed a lot of the nitrogen past the root zone. So it's more we're going to talk about what you can do this time of year, going into fall, going into winter, to get those roots start to growing again. So next spring, you're going to have a healthy plant. First off, you've got a product here called Super Thrive. It's mostly hormones. You're going to mix, believe it or not, just a drop per gallon, pour it around the plant, and it helps the roots get started rejuvenating for the wintertime. We talk about our Jumpstart a lot because it's an all-around good product. It's not a miracle worker, but it does a great job. Organic fertilizer with the mycorrhiza. So it's going to give a little bit of growth, but not enough to really spar on anything that's going to kill after that first frost. And if they're looking really bad, I would probably use some Osmocote. It's a slow-release product, so we're going to get a little growth. It's not going to be fresh like this, so it's not going to get burned off. But you get some growth. But in the wintertime, Jeff, the roots, if the ground temperature is above 40, the roots are going to be growing. So they're going to grow all the way up till probably Christmas. So you might as well get some nutrients in there, get things going, get them ready for next year.
All right, and that way, that when they come back, they'll start to look a little bit better. You won't get this look. And you know, one thing, you can look at these and not realize that it's from too much moisture, not the lack of moisture. So the last thing you want to do is keep watering it if you know that it's been raining.
And what's our favorite tool we use around here?
We can use the moisture
meter. We use the moisture meter, which we don't have with us this morning, but it does a great job.
All right. So just get those roots growing again, and they'll start to look good again. So don't give up on the plants. They'll be fine.
I agree.
All right. That's all the time we have for this week on the Good Earth Greenhouse. Join us back here next Wednesday.